Well, welcome to the Top Gun Show. Today, I'd like to welcome Susan Young, the VP of Strategic Alliances for Qumu. Susan spent 7 years at Cisco Systems as their Global Operations Director. From there, she spent 9 years at Motorola as their VP of Carrier Channel Sales. She then spent 2 years at T-Mobile as the National Director of Federal Sales. After spending the next 5 years at Wind River as the VP of Worldwide Network Service Provider Sales, she joined Qumu just about 6 months ago. Susan is the real deal. She has spent over 20 successful years in direct and channel sales, sales operations, and project management responsibility. This change agent affects consensus through collaboration. Susan, welcome to the Top Gun Show.
Steve, thank you so much. And I apologize for being so difficult to get a hold of, but I'm excited to share with your audience why. And I'm going to take you through that right now. So I have been at Qumu for just under 6 months, actually. And Qumu is a world-class enterprise video as a service company. There's not much in the market that's hotter than video right now. And there's some really compelling reasons why. In fact, I just in my inbox this morning got a market analysis survey that identifies that $3.2 billion is being spent today in enterprise grade video services and solutions. That is going to explode into $33 billion worth of annual spend in 2028, which is about 40% CAGR year-over-year growth. And that's just incredible. I think it is safe to say, and Qumu certainly believes, that the hybrid work environment, which was certainly accelerated by the pandemic, is here to stay. The idea of working from whenever, wherever is a reality for all of us now. And I think it's also fair to say that video is going to become even more essential as a communication business tool for enterprises and government users, really for the time being in the future. Qumu is a platform that provides incredible scale to video conferencing and events and streaming. It is capable of end-to-end encryption security. There's a multitude of security implementations that we do for every video service that we provide, not only encryption, but multi-authentication capabilities that really protect the end user from being hacked with malware or ransomware. That's just not acceptable in the enterprise and customer environment. What I'd love to do, Steve, quickly for your listeners is talk a little bit about the Qumu platform. I'd like to talk a little bit about the products and solutions that we offer to the enterprise and the government customers that we serve. And then, as importantly for the channel, talk about what we've been doing to formulate a very exciting turn of events and a market change for Qumu as we go to market with the ecosystem. So the platform is scalable to 100,000 instances of video at the same time, which is tremendous. We do that because we ride over the Google infrastructure, which has almost unlimited bandwidth, and it's not uncommon for our customers to drive, multiple terabits of data, because, as we all know, video takes up quite a lot of bandwidth. We also engage directly with interface from Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Microsoft Teams, and any other video API you'd want to bring to us. So that's really critical for the channel to understand that any customer or any service provider that you're working with that's using Zoom, Cisco WebEx, or Microsoft or any other video tool should be talking to us from a scalability standpoint, as well as a solution standpoint in the security space. We do a lot of streaming at Qumu. Think about trade show events or learning management events. There's a ton of community that's out there really pushing that capability now. We do video on demand, which is asynchronous, and that has more to do with spontaneous video. And we can scale all the way down to a mobile device, all the way up to very large display panels. And we've got a great ecosystem of partners that bring that type of equipment to us. We are also unique in that we bring analytics and artificial intelligence to the table for the enterprise or government that would like to store and catalog and derive analytics from that stored communication, that stored video. And we do that really with everything that we provide on our cloud. And the last thing I want to talk about in terms of solutions that we can bring to the table is that we've got a very capable professional services organization, as well as a customer satisfaction organization. That's a little bit unusual in the video as a service play. And these folks are, some of them, not all of them, but some of them are from media and entertainment backgrounds. So they really understand video like nobody else does. We are seeing emerging use cases around critical communications, public safety, but also enterprise critical communications, employee and customer onboarding, training and enablement, and just VOD all day long. So we think that those are going to continue. And now I'm going to take a breath and share with Steve's channel community about the change that we're making at Qumu. So I was recruited about 4 months ago to come in and build a change in direction, which includes working closely with Janet Chines and her team to create a best-in-class channel. So Qumu had largely been a direct sale company prior to this. We did have some channel business, but it lacked the program that attracts, top class agents, top class tier 2 community, top class resale community. And we're starting to really shape up and get ready to launch that program in Q4. It will include deal registration and protection of deals that partners bring to us. It will include the addition of the largest tier 2 distribution solutions partner on the planet. I think you guys know who I'm talking about, and very excited to work with that particular group again. It's going to include top tier telcos, both in the US and in EMEA, as well as Japan. And we're going to have resellers recruited through our distribution partners and premier agents that will help us drive first-class video into the community. So watch for the news. We're going to be coming out with some press here as we launch and advertise our new relationships. We're going to be talking about the value of doing channel business with Qumu. I can tell you that the margins on the deals that I've gotten approved are market leading. So there's every opportunity for folks who want to get into the video business to make a lot of money with Qumu, honestly, and we're here to partner with you. So, Steve, did I hit the mark?
The witness can step down. No further questions. I mean, you covered it all. I mean, all the questions I had in my mind, you just answered them all. Congratulations on Qumu. It sounds like, I mean, going from, what did you say, 3 billion to 30 billion, I think you said, by 2028.
Yeah,
that's huge. You guys are really positioned to lead a lot of that growth. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, it's an explosive market. I'm very, very pleased to be a part of it.
And I'm pleased that you chose the avenue of the Top Gun show to let the millions and millions know about that. Thanks for being a guest on the show today. I really appreciate it.
You bet. Steve, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it.